Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today, working on my wife's 2015 Ford Escape. She, last week, blowing off the snow with the snow brush, and then, crack. This came off, the rear wiper blade. So, we're gonna get this off. I have a new one. Just gotta get the plastic housing up, and we should be all set. All right. So it's a 13 millimeter. You don't want to really crank on with the glass. Holy cow. That's loosening it. I even put some WD-40 on it. I don't want to really, if I crack the glass, that's going to be not good. Let me work a little bit here. Okay. There we go. Am I moving the... Oh, I thought I was moving the whole thing, but it's coming off. There. Got it off. Now I gotta get that one piece off. I can't believe how easy this was. Let me see. I took a needle nose pliers. It just went, and I was able to break, look at that, I was able to break that piece that goes over that. I know some people have to have like a puller or whatever to get that, but all I did was just kind of wiggle it, you know, and it broke. Man, that was really, really good. So now I'm going to put the old one, or the new one on. Just so you know, if you're hearing gunshots, no, we're not under war or anything. That's just the gun club that's about a mile or two away from us. So, yeah. Now we're just going to put the new wiper blade on. And I believe I got the wiper blade, I believe it was like under 20 bucks to do the whole thing. You know, shipping and all that. Of course, it was Amazon. What we would do without Amazon. It's supposed to rain tomorrow and stuff, so all right, let me get this on there. Again, you don't want to, you just want to snug on there. You don't want to torque it because you're going to break the glass. And you can see I'm not, still got a little ways to go yet. I'm not like wrenching on it. Now it's starting to get a little tight. Okay. I think that's good. Clip this on. there's a little clip there. There we go. Okay, now let's start up the car and try out the wiper blade to see if it works. If I did a splendid job or not. Here, I'll back you up a little bit. Yeah. As you can see, it works wonderful. So, another job well done. I like how things come together that quick. So, okay. Well, that should do it for this video. I'm glad it didn't take that long. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please do. And I'll have more videos coming up real soon. I appreciate everybody watching.